Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today I'm super excited to share my best of the best template with you. It takes more than a month to build this template, and it's not just an ordinary Notion template, it's something more than that. To understand better, let's see an intro. Welcome to Game, a game of your life. It's a role-playing gaming system that built for you to track the progress of your life and enjoy the journey. Also rewarded yourself for your success. You're the player of this game. Start with the beginner level, and to level up, all you need is EXP. You can earn EXP by completing your task, your daily habit, writing your journal, reading book, and also by achieving your goal. We all know EXP for level up to grow, but you will also earn gold coin at the same time by the same action you earned EXP. With the gold coin, you can purchase items as self-reward from the marketplace. Wait. Just make sure you have earned enough gold coin to purchase things. It's not over yet. Life isn't just about winning, and we are applying that mindset to our game. You won't always gain XP for completing tasks. Sometimes you might lose XP if you fail to finish your project and task on time. And remember, don't forget to check in on your habits. It's time to explanation. Alright, so the very first thing is player. And the first question is, who is the player? Of course it's you. And everything you see in the below is your progress. So let's start with your name. Here you will write down your name and then your level. It's all start with the beginner level, and to level up, all you need is EXP. Here we can see 330 XP, and all you need 170 XP to level reach 1. And how about the coins? Well, by the coin you can purchase anything from the marketplace. So let's see how to earn XP and gold coin. Let's visit the task database. Here is our task list. First thing we can see is inbox. Here you will find all of your incompleted tasks under the inbox category. And all the tasks categorized by priority: high priority, medium priority, and low priority. And under the priority, you will find all of your task list. So first thing is task name, and here we can see the project assigned to this task, and here is the deadline of this task, and here is notification. So the notification will remind you timeline of your task. So for example, we can see this task already 4 days delay, and the deadline was 20th August. And for this task, we have 1 day left to complete. And finally, here is the EXP and coins. So for example, you will earn 50 XP and 5 coins for completing this task. But at the same time, you might lose XP if you fail to complete task on time. So for example, you will lose XP if you complete this task because it's already 4 days delay. And let's scroll down. Here you will find the timeline view of your task. Here you will find all of your weekly task list, and if you want to see the monthly task list, just simply click here. And then here you can see 2 days. Here you will find all of your 2 days task list, and here is your upcoming task list. And under the all task list, you will find all of your tasks here. So let's back to the main dashboard and let's visit the project. So under the project list, you will find 3 categories: running project, completed project, and all of your project here. So in the running project, here you can see the name of your project, and then range, short range, how many tasks we have left under this project, and how many days we have left until to complete this task. And finally, the most exciting part, EXP and coins. So if you complete this task, you will gain 200 EXP and 20 coins. And here is the progress bar of your project. And also scroll down, you will find all the project list by status view. And once your project is done, simply click on the completed, and you will find it under the completed view. And finally, here you will find all of your project list. So once again, let's back to the dashboard. And then we can see reflection and daily quest. One of the best part of this template. Reflection comes with 2 things. One is your daily habit and your journal. When there is a lot of things in journal, for example, 3 good things in the morning, 3 great things in the night, and you don't feel to write it every day. So that's why I keep it simple. By completing each habit every day, you will gain EXP and coins. For example, here you can see 95 EXP and 14 coins. So once you complete exercise, here you can see we gain more EXP and more coins. And finally, here we have day type. You will find all of your day type here. So by shortly, you can mark your day type here. And also it's kind of automated system. Here you can see the date, and here we can see a little circle. This little circle represents your progress. So if your progress is less than 66%, it will show as empty. And once it's complete more than 66%, it will show as half. And once you complete 100% habit, it will show as full. And then here is your day type, productive day. And here you can see the progress of your EXP and coins, how many coins you have earned today and how many EXP you have earned today. And here is the progress bar of your daily habit. And here is the journal or your daily reflection. So again, let's back to the dashboard. Here you can see the library. Let's click on it. Library or laboratory known as your book tracker. Here you will find the summary of your digital bookshelf. For example, how many books you have under this library and you are currently reading, and all the details here. And also how many books you have completed in this month and how many books you have completed this year. And in the progress bar, you will find the progress between your total books and how many books you have finished reading. And then here is the quote. You can write down any quote from any book, so you can easily find out your favorite sentence from the book. And here you'll find all of your book list. So it's start with your book name, and then your book author, and then status, currently reading, or you want to read, or you already finished reading, or you gave up. And then category of this book. You can add as many categories as you want, and then currently page you are reading, total page, and then date started and date completed. And also you can rating your book here. Start with 1 star and maximum 5 star. and then summary of this book, and here is the progress bar. And the most excited part is reward. So for example, once you complete reading a book, you will get 1000 EXP and 100 coins, and that's not all. For completing each page, you will also earn coins and EXP. So even reading one page is worth it. And finally, the most interesting part called reward and marketplace. So what is marketplace? It's a self-rewarding system. For example, if I complete making 100 videos, I will explore a new cafe or maybe travel a new place. So maybe completing 100 videos will get me 1000 coins. So to get 1000 coins, all I need to complete 100 videos and then I can purchase my gift. So it's a perfect self-rewarding system. And here you'll find your coin summary. And there's total 3 kind of view: available items, purchased items. Here you'll find all the items that you have already purchased, and here you'll find all the items that already purchased or still that is available. So to claim a reward, all you need to do hard work. Maybe by completing tasks or maybe by completing project or focus on your daily habit. So after that, we still have 2 databases left. Under the tutorial, you'll find all the things that is need to start this game and all the guideline and instruction. And in the community, you'll find all the players that is playing the same game. You can make friends, chat with them and build your collection. And also that's not in here. If you don't want to visit this database, simply you will find all these things in the sidebar. So overall, I can say it's a must-having template. Check the description and you will find the link.